Xfinity Home Security versus at which is better for smart homes. Setting up a smart home in 2025 means choosing the right security system, but most people get this wrong by focusing on cameras alone. Let's compare Xfinity Home Security and at. This Xfinity Home integrates seamlessly with Comcast services. You won't believe what happens next. It offers smart cameras, door locks, motion sensors, and remote monitoring through a single app. Setup is relatively easy, especially for existing Xfinity Internet customers. At has been a trusted security provider for decades. Unlike Xfinity, it provides professional monitoring with highly customizable packages. Its smart home devices are compatible with Alexa, Google Assistant, and other ecosystems, making it flexible for multi-brand setups. The surprising truth is that Xfinity is great for DI installation and existing Comcast customers. Its reliability, professional monitoring, and long-term service make it more robust for serious home security. So, which is better? For a fully integrated smart home on a budget, Xfinity works well. For comprehensive coverage and professional monitoring, it is the safer choice. Ultimately, the right choice depends on your home's needs, budget, and whether you prefer DI or professionally managed security.